What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Like I said last week, I guess we're gonna hop under this hood and start cleaning up some of these wires, seeing where we got stuff to go. And yeah, pop this baby open and take a look. Got the carb covered because, in case it gets dusty, don't want nothing to get in there. Most of these wires are obsolete, so we're gonna trace them. Most of them should go back to the old ignition box. I got the HEI on there now, so we won't be needing that. And then, anything else that we can clean up in here, and I don't know. This is our day. We'll go from there. We tried to get this thing off, but these screws are not fun. They don't want to come, so we're going to have to be more persuasive on them. But, guys, we'll get there. We'll keep watching, and we'll see if we can't get this cleaned up under here. Alright, let's get some of this black tape off so we can separate all these wires. Yeah. And then we'll start pulling it through the whip. We'll probably take that entire whip off. I got another one for it, new. That one might crack all up like the rest of the whip on this thing. If you guys watched my other video with when I was underneath playing with the whip, that thing was just crumbling. Hope everybody's doing good today on this beautiful Sunday. I'll keep taking this off. Each wire is cut to a different length. That way they can never touch. But we should be able to just get rid of a lot of these, man. It's going to be great. Beautify it under here a little bit. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to throw this away. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so this orange wire goes that way. These three wires go back. This yellow one goes to my distributor. This is my tachometer. It's not long enough, ain't hooked up. I'm not there yet. They don't come with a tach on their stock. You gotta put an aftermarket one in. I took the aftermarket one out. And so I'm just gonna follow these wires through this whip, probably replace this whip. And yeah, get rid of them, because we should not need these no more. But keep watching, guys. I'll give it a little bit of fast play because it's probably going to be pretty boring just watching me wire out this whip. So let's get to it. Well, we pulled all these wires out, extras. Got a couple things reran. Distributor wire goes back, runs down over to the solenoid. Got this jumble mess of wires I'm going to fix up in a second for the low pressure AC kill or whatever that is. I think that's what it was, though. But they rigged this one up, so I'll figure that all out and get everything else all hooked back up there. Then throw a whip in and keep on going. Be a little bit cleaner under here for y'all and me. I'll have wires in my way when I'm trying to work on it. Alright, let's get back to it. Would you look at that? Gotta get the whip on there and get her wired back up to the firewall. And should look pretty nice under here. You guys were right, cleaning up the wires. It's a lot. You see a lot more. All right, let's get the whip on there and see what happens. Alright, that looks 10 times better under there. Get some black tape around there so you can't see all them wires, and well, I think that's it.